see what I mean?
No, it doesn't work that way. Just
Does it?
Hang on.
Did you get rid of them?
No.
I think you did. I think they're gone.
There's one more.
Okay, ready? That is some ridiculous.
Okay, there's one more on my face.
Ready? One more time. Are you good? Ready?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, bro. Ready? I can't even laugh like that. I don't know how you do that. That's funny. Ready? I'm gonna slam it in your mouth.
No, don't do that. I'm not even fucking kidding. They'll come back. Okay.
Ready? Here we go. Slowly. Alright, as soon as you're done laughing, we'll go. Alright, as soon as you're done.
Okay.
Whenever you decide this isn't as funny.
Okay.
Is it funny still?
Don't talk to me.
Alright, ready?
Let's go.
I'm gonna pour it in there.
Okay.
Alright, are you ready? No? I'm not gonna say a word. Ready? It's so funny to watch. It's so funny to watch somebody laugh from this angle, you know, because like you never see it from this angle. All I see is like the top of your mouth and shit. It's pretty funny. Ready? In we go.
Shut up.
I'm not even saying anything, Jordan.
Ben, shut your face. I'm not even fucking kidding. I
Why?
have to get rid of this shit.
Why do you want me to be quiet?
Because it makes me fucking laugh.
Okay, I'm not
Like
gonna
you
say a fucking
motherfucking
word.
witch.
I'm not gonna say one fucking word. Ready? I'm not gonna say a word.
Okay.
Alright, you pour it in.
Hold it up here right now.
Holy shit.
Hold it up here already so then I won't start laughing at it quickly.
Alright. Carefully.
Okay.
I'm seriously gonna go.
Okay. You hold it in my mouth. Hurry before you start laughing again.
It looks like a fucking fish, dude. It looks like a fucking. I think you don't even have the hiccups anymore. See if you do.
Okay, let's wait about a minute.
Did your head feel okay?
Dude, I don't have any anymore. See, I told you that's secure.
I think it was just because you completely forgot all about it. You're laughing your ass
No,
off.
I'm telling you. I always had to drink it upside down ever since I was like 6 years old.
Well, I'm glad you don't have them anymore.
Me fucking too. I can drink more alcohol.
If that's